happy anniversary to Altenew.
Happy birthday, Altenew.
Happy anniversary, Altenew.
Happy birthday, Altenew! I cannot believe it's been 7 years. I have loved guesting for Altenew over the past few years and continue to love their beautiful floral stamps. I especially love the layering stamps because it gives me an excuse to use the wonderful colored inks that they have. If you know me, you also know that I love watercoloring, and Altenew has a variety of watercolor mediums from palette watercolors to liquid watercolor brush markers. It definitely doesn't stop there. One of the things I love most about Altenew is their innovation of products and mindfulness for crafters at all skill levels. They make it so easy for any crafter to create beautiful cards. I have no doubt that Altenew will continue to bring us amazing products in the future and wish them so much success. Happy birthday again, Altenew!
Hey everyone, it's Keisha from At the Papermint. I'm here today to say happy anniversary to Altenew. I can't believe that 7 years have gone by. I remember the first set of cards that I posted to Instagram. It was a trio made with Altenew's beautiful day stamp set. Do you remember this one? It changed my life. I didn't even understand how stamped layering worked until Altenew. And it made me feel like I could create beautiful things. I couldn't color a lick back then. Not that I can color that great now, but my coloring was crap. And the stamp layering really made me feel like I could create something beautiful without knowing how to color. It was easy. The results just popped and looked so professional. I was so proud of myself. Since then, I've had such fun in using Altenew's products, in creating and sharing those creations with others to kind of share and spread that joy, because what's the purpose of card making unless you're sharing? So I just wanted to say thank you for Altenew, for helping me create joy, for helping me share joy, for helping me comfort others with a card, with some other paper crafted item, whether it be a scrapbook or some kind of memory keeping piece. Happy anniversary. Thank you for letting me guest design for you last year. I had a blast, and please continue in making amazing products and allowing crafters, giving crafters their wings. Happy anniversary, Altenew.
Happy birthday, Altenew! This is Dana Joy, and I'm so excited for you guys. Thank you for everything you have brought to this industry. I mean, your inks, papers, dyes, watercolor, markers. I mean, I can go on and on about the incredible products you have. And not only the products you have, the inspiration you give, from your design teams to the guests you have, to the classes you teach, to the live programming we get to see. It all makes us think outside the box and to stretch our creativeness in ways that we might not have thought how to do. So keep going.
Happy anniversary, Altenew. 7 years. Wow. I was feeling nostalgic and went back to see what was my first interaction with you guys. And it was actually your second ever blog hop way back in July 2014, like 7 years ago. And looked at the names on the hop, and it was Debbie Hughes, Julie Ebersol, myself, Tahira, and Weta Miller. How cool is that? I also looked to see what stamps we're using, and I used the Geometric Menagerie, and I think it's such a testament to your just natural artistic skill that you guys created a stamp set that is totally something I'd love to use today. It stands the test of time. I think as crafters, if we look back to our first or second card that we made, there might be like some embarrassment there or a few things that we want to change, but nope, you guys totally rocked it right out of the gate. I also went back to look at my current favorite sets, and the Virginia Rose 3D crafting die is right up there. Love the little bloom that comes with it, the little bud. And then the statement flower stamp, great on its own, but it's also nice and open for like all the coloring techniques for you to play around with. And then for the background, I love the faceted stars. It's a great foil to any florals that you want to put on your card, or geometrics or anything. You stamp this in some light colors and anything you have on your card just like shines. Yeah, so I'd love to thank you guys for letting me be part of your celebration. You have an amazing team, and I think it's one thing to have amazing products, but when you have a team behind that is so caring and passionate as you all are, I think that just makes your company a step above. Thanks for letting me be part of the celebration, and wishing you another 7 years and beyond. Love you guys.
Hello and happy 7th anniversary, Altenewers. So what drew me to Altenew, you ask? Definitely the floral stamps. However, it's the passion for teaching, the ways of paper, ink, and scissors that caused me to stay and keep coming back. It's always exciting to see what crafty goodness y'all release every month. I love that Altenew has expanded the product line from simple stamps and dies to stencils and layering stencils, as well as layering dies. I'm also really enjoying the embossing folders and other mixed media items. Of course, my most favorite has to be the artist markers. Altenew Academy is my favorite place for learning the latest techniques in card making, and I find that the student galleries are a treasure trove of inspiration. Thank you, Altenew family, for sharing your extraordinary passion in encouraging us worldwide to craft our lives with you. Much love and inky paper smiles from Laura Jane.
Happy birthday, Altenew. I can't believe it's already been 7 years. Holy cow. Well, I just wanted to give you guys a shout out because, I mean, I love everything that Altenew does. Everything from, you know, the stamps, the dies, the papers, you name it, the washi, big time washi. And just everyone from the company is just beautiful souls, just amazing. And I'm so glad to be a part of this wonderful and beautiful company. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Altenew. It's fantastic that you've reached your 7th birthday already. I'm Verity and I craft and make in the UK. I run my own blog site called Pretty Little Button where I make paper crafting tutorials for the everyday crafter. Altenew stamps and dies are one of the ones I often reach for the most. When I first started crafting about 5 years ago, Altenew was one of the first big American brands that I discovered from across the sea being here in the UK. I absolutely love all their stamps and designs, especially their floral designs, because it's so lovely to see such a beautiful design in a much more modern and contemporary way, which really suits my crafting style. What I love so much about it though is you're not stuck to just using them in a floral aspect. You can use them with so many different techniques, so you really can stretch your supplies so you can get more from your craft stash. One of my favourite Altenew products would have to be their embossing paste. I love the bright white embossing paste. It's got a beautiful consistency and it dries beautifully, but you can pair it with inks and other colours to get your own mixes as well. One of my most favourite stencils they have is the Broken Chevron stencil, and I love using this in a variety of different ways for my cards. What I'm really looking forward to with Altenew is that they are bringing out some beautiful embossing folders, and I can't wait to see what designs they keep coming out with. Again, happy birthday Altenew, and thanks for bringing us such lovely designs, products and crafty inspiration.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!